Hi, this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here to talk about the Garter Tab. And what a Garter Tab is where you would cast on 3 stitches and you knit several rows, and then you start making your shawl back and forth by doing increases. And this Garter Tab, the way they do it is they cast on the 3 stitches, knit 7 rows, and then go back and pick up stitches. But you can see right here on where I had picked up stitches, it doesn't look exactly perfect. So I wanted to show you a different method that I like to use, and it uses the Judy's Magic cast on for toe-up socks to be able to do this pattern. So let me move this out of the way and I'll show you. Here's a little sample of the way I like to do it. And I have on here 3 stitches, and then I picked up 3, and then this was the other side of my Judy's Magic cast on. But you can see right here, if I pull it apart right along in here, it's nice and smooth, and the work looks much better than the other method that we had used on the Golden Hour Shawl. So let me show you how I did this. So I'm going to show you how to cast on using the Judy's Magic cast on for your Garter Tab when you're knitting the Garter Tab. So you have your tail up toward the top, and it's on your needle that's furthest away from you. So you'd put that there, and then you go ahead and give it a twist. Give your yarn a twist. Okay, and then the top finger loads the bottom needle, and the bottom finger loads the top needle. So we're going to cast on 3 stitches on each needle. Okay, now we have 3 stitches on each needle, and we're going to be knitting using our working yarn. And we're going to knit 7 rows in garter stitch. So we have 1 row, and then we have, 2, and I'll be working on 3. And 4, 5, 6, and make sure this looks good. And then we're going to be going 7, and that's the first 3 stitches that we knit. Then we turn our work, let that needle go and let it get untangled a bit. And we're going to be picking up 3 stitches. And I have a little strand. Do you see how I have a little strand stuck on there? Don't want that strand stuck on there. And we got 1, and I always pick it up with my left hand needle and then knit it with my right. 2, and then we have to turn it a little bit so we can see that 3rd stitch we're going to be picking up. 3rd, and then these are that's the other end of the Judy's Magic cast on here that we have. And all we have to do is knit those 3 stitches and our Garter Tab will be complete. 1, 2, and 3. Pull that tail down. And you see we have our Garter Tab forming. And that's how you make the Garter Tab using Judy's Magic cast on.